pure method do not alter the state of an object. Means the pure method do not change the value of any instance variable. Pure method do not change the value of instance variable. I'm not going to show you write the program. Now I am going to do some class board work so that you can understand it better. हम बोर्ड पे कोशिश करेंगे समझाने का so that you can understand a bit, and you can always raise your hand in between. So we are going to talk about pure method. Pure method जैसे मान के चलो, we are declaring a class. Say the name is XYZ, and in that class we had initially defined two variables A and B. Okay, now बस इतना ही समझते हैं. This is impure method. This one is impure. Why? You can observe it is changing the value of A and B. Why impure? Because it is changing the value of A and B. And you can see A and B are the instance variables. These are the instance variable. So public void get is impure, whereas this one is pure. Why? It is not changing the value of the variables A and B. That's why it is the pure method. Hopefully, Shraddha, you understood, and if you had understood, just give me an indication that you had understood by sending some emojis or just raising the hand once again. I can understand you got it. Okay, anyone else? Yeah, thank you. Now, anyone else have any other doubt? और किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. यस अंजलि. अंजलि.
Sir, I have doubt in overload constructor.
Overloaded constructor. Now overloaded constructor is, I'm going to clear the board again and show you what is overloaded constructor. You may be online by the time. अगर तुम चाहो तो तुम ऑनलाइन रह सकती हो मेरे साथ. ठीक है. You keep your mic unmuted so I can explain it. Now, what is overloaded constructor is constructor with parameter. The constructor with parameter is called overloaded constructor. Now let us get the example over here. Say we are again defining a new class, say class ABC. Now we are defining a variable int A and B. Say now we are going to define the constructor. Constructor, say public. What should be the name of the constructor? Anjali? अंजलि. हाँ, कंस्ट्रक्टर का नाम क्या होगा बताओ. नहीं बताइए. It must be the same name as the class. जो क्लास का नाम है वही होगा मेथड का नाम. तो इसका नाम क्या था? ABC है ना. अब
यस सर.
ये हो गया. हम लोग देखो इसमें कोई पैरामीटर नहीं डाले हैं. यहाँ पे कोई पैरामीटर नहीं डाले और
No,
say
sir.
we define it as variable of like this. Fine, no problem. Now
No,
we are
sir.
going to define another constructor. Now see, we had passed two integer variables, है ना? यहाँ पे तो इंटीजर वेरिएबल हम लोग पास किए हैं, तो ये बन
Yes,
गया
sir.
है डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर, ये है डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर और ये है ओवरलोडेड कंस्ट्रक्टर। समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
If you are still doubt, you can still ask me. I don't have any problem in explaining. और जब तक डाउट है पूछते रहो, हम एक्सप्लेन करते रहेंगे। Okay. If your doubt is clear, then please lower your hand, Anjali. Once your doubt is clear, you can lower your hand. Okay. Now, anyone else have any other doubt? Anyone else have any other doubt? No? Okay, then I'll create problem for you. I will create problem for you. If you have, if you don't have problem, I'll create problem. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है जल्दी जल्दी पूछो, नहीं तो आपकी बार एक एक करके बेइज्जती शुरू होगा। सबसे पहले इशू का ही नंबर आएगा। इशू विल बी द फर्स्ट टू फेस माय क्वेश्चन। इशू, आर यू रेडी?
नहीं सर।
नहीं सर, कोई डाउट भी नहीं और रेडी भी नहीं हो, ऐसे कैसे? So you don't have any doubt, issue? कोई डाउट नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जावा में? No doubt, no questions. So, and you are not even ready to face. That means what? You are missing something. You are missing something. कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है। Enamul, Enamul, is there any doubt?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Then speak
No.
out.
No.
Oh, no, sir. You
No.
don't have any doubt. Okay.
No.
Okay. Then let me see about Sneha. Where is Sneha? Sneha Suman?
Yes,
Sneha, you don't have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Then from the next class, I'll be asking you question and giving you the chance to solve in the class itself. Live, you have to solve the problem. Adarsh, do you have any doubt? One by one, I'm asking everyone.
No, sir.
No, sir. Very good. So today, let me take the attendance. Let me take your attendance first. Then by the time you people find out if you have any problem. Okay. So I'm going to stop the sharing and take your attendance. So by the time, find out if you have any problem. I'll clear your problems. And those who are little shy, don't want to ask in public, you will have to face a lot of problem, because Java is not that easy also, that it has been clear, everything is clear. So now onward, everyone have, every day you will get homework. आज से होमवर्क मिलेगा और सॉल्व करके सबमिट करना होगा। So taking the attendance. First one is Adarsh Kumar. Second, Achal Raj Tilak. Achal Raj Tilak is there. Then Aryan Kumar. Aryan Kumar. Avinav Anand. Then Aditi. Aditi, you don't have any problem. Error. What is error? Error is there. Then Akshara Shah is there. Then we have Alia Fareen. Alia Fareen. Then Anjali Kumari. Anjali Kumari. Then we have Harsh Raj. Yes, Muskan, I'll be coming to you. Harsh Raj. Harsh Raj is there. Ishu is there. Then Kamya Anand is there. Then we have Enamul Haq. Okay. And Muskan Singh. This is Muskan Amna, isn't it? As much as I can remember, it is Muskan Amna. Then Prachi Singh. MNOP. Prachi Singh is there. Then we have Rahul. Rahul Kumar. Two Rahuls are there. Eh? No, one Rahul, one is Rishu Kumar. Now, Shraddha Kumari. Shraddha Kumari and Sneha Suman. So today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Correct. एकदम सही है, आज एकदम सही है, किसी का नाम मिस नहीं हुआ. That's a nice thing. So as you people comes in with your name, we don't have any problem. Okay, now just got a message from the office. Who raised the hand when I was taking the attendance? Harsh it was. Harsh, bolo. Harsh.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Sir, can a constructor be a recursive method?
A constructor can be recursive, but what is the problem is we have to understand what is the difference between a constructor and a method. Basically, their uses. The constructor is used to only mostly it is used to initialize the variables. So in case if you want to define a constructor as a recursive method, you can define it, no problem there. But what happens, constructor is only used to initialize the variables. So you can either, you may not. So that is up to you. It could be a recursive method. Yeah, anyone else? Harsh, और कोई है doubt? हाँ बोलो.
So what do we mean to initialize the data members?
Initialize the data members means assigning values to the variables. Assigning values to the data members. इसी को हम लोग बोल रहे हैं initialize the data members. जैसे इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल अभी दो एग्जांपल दिखाया ना, क्लास है BC, उसमें दो वेरिएबल x एंड y, और x का वैल्यू y का वैल्यू हम लोग असाइन कर रहे थे कंस्ट्रक्टर से, उसी को बोला गया है इनिशियलाइज द डेटा मेंबर्स, मींस assigning values to the instance variables. Anything else, Harsh?
No, sir.
Okay then. Anyone else have any other doubt? कुछ भी any from the whole syllabus जितना हम लोग किए उतना तक में, except you have only 2 chapters left now. One is array, another one is string. ये 2 चैप्टर बच गया है, बाकी बुक खत्म है. So I will start revision from the next day, as well as in every class I'll ask you to ask at least one program. एक program पूछा करो, so that we can solve it live and see whether you are understanding the problems properly or not. Because you know that 90%, 85 to 90% is the programming section. So you have to be very good in programming, and you need to do that. So better you concentrate on program and concentrate on the studies. Classes ऐसे ही चलेगा, मगर कहीं एग्जाम हो गया तो एग्जाम में तो हालत खराब हो जाएगा. And those who are good students, I can see these, all of you, those who are attending classes today, you people are regular, and few, those who are not interested, we are not interested in them also, isn't it? So be there and study well. Okay, किसी को कुछ पूछना नहीं है अभी? और जल्दी जल्दी. Yes, issue.
सर रिकर्सिव मेथड एक बार बता दीजिए.
अच्छा, recursive method is the method which calls itself. Recursive method अपने आप को कॉल करता है. कैसे कॉल करता है? This is not in your syllabus. Okay, recursive method तुम्हारे syllabus में नहीं है, मगर हम बताए किस लिए? क्योंकि किताब में कहीं ना कहीं जरा सा recursive method के बारे में बोला हुआ है, and we need to understand that. So here is the board again, where this is my board. Here I write the things, and you can see on the screen. Now we are going to define a recursive method to calculate the factorial. Last day we did the sum of natural numbers. Today we are going to calculate the factorial. तो कैसे मेथड को डिफाइन करते हैं? I'm not writing the whole code, I'm just defining the, so public int fact, within bracket we pass a variable. Okay, now if x not equals to 0, जब तक x 0 नहीं होता है तब तक क्या करना है? रिटर्न x into fact x minus 1. Else now see here, this is recursive. Why it is recursive? Because of this, है ना? ये फैक्टोरियल ही है. जो फैक्टोरियल हम लोग इसमें डिफाइन कर रहे हैं वही फैक्टोरियल को ये खुद कॉल कर रहा है. मीन्स द मेथड इज कॉलिंग itself. This is recursive method. Okay, issue, if you have if you need the explanation of this, how it actually working, then just raise your hand once again. Yes, okay, fine. How it is working, काम कैसे कर रहा है? So we need the what do you say, that dry run system. So for dry running, let us assume the value of x equals to 5. हम लोग मान रहे हैं हम लोग x equals to 5 दिए, मतलब फंक्शन को जब कॉल करेंगे उस समय हम लोग 5 पास किए. जब 5 पास किए, now see the first statement, is x equals to not equals to 0? Yes, it is correct. The condition x not equals to 0, this is true. So what it will return? It returns x into, what is the value of x? X is 5 into factorial of 4. ये हो गया एक्चुअल कॉलिंग स्टेटमेंट जब x का वैल्यू 5 था। अब इसका वैल्यू घट के कितना हो गया? x इक्वल्स टू 4 हो गया है ना, x का वैल्यू 4 हो गया। नाउ वंस अगेन, इज x not equals to 0? Yes, it is true again. So what it returns? Already it had returned 5. पहले 5 रिटर्न किया था, अब इसके साथ रिटर्न क्या कर रहा है? 4, and again it is calling the factorial of 3. फिर से ये 3 को पास किया, तो फिर से चेक होगा, if x not equals to 0, yes it is true again. फिर से ये ट्रू है, तो पहले ये 2 रिटर्न हो चुका था, अब फिर क्या रिटर्न करेगा? 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial of 2. फिर से कंडीशन सही है, तो फिर से हम लोग को क्या मिलने वाला है? into factorial of 1, है ना? Now once again you can see this is not equals to 0, the value of x is not equals to 0. So once again what we get? And we get factorial of 0. Now once the factorial of 0 is met, then this condition becomes false. अगर ये false हो गया तो पहुंचा कहाँ? यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे पहुंचा। यहाँ पे पहुंचने के बाद हम लोग को क्या मिलने वाला है? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. So we have the, now we have the value returned. ये value हम लोग को अब वापस मिल जाएगा। Now you can see this is the factorial of 5. Yes, issue. Yes, issue.
सर x का वैल्यू चेंज कैसे होते जा रहा है?
जैसे यहाँ पे देखो किया ना, ये यहाँ पे देखो x का वैल्यू चेंज कर रहे हैं ना, x माइनस वन कर रहे हैं, तो हर बार इसका वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है? घटते चल जा रहा है। x का वैल्यू ओरिजिनल जो x हम लोग पास किए थे, यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू पास किए थे, इसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगा, इसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो रहा, मगर यहाँ पे जो कॉल हो रहा है, हर बार जो वापस फैक्टोरियल अपने आप को कॉल कर रहा है, यहाँ पे वैल्यू घट रहा है, x का ओरिजिनल वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो रहा है। You want to check it out? So let me check it out. Okay. हम भी पहली बार ही करेंगे कि now we had did a method over here. यहाँ पे एक recursive method हम लोग कर चुके हैं, 10 मिनट बचा है, हो जाएगा। Now we are passing the value of x over here. Now here is the sum 10. Instead of sending the value directly, we are initializing a value, say int k equals to 10. ठीक है, पास कर दिए, और यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं? k को पास कर रहे हैं, ठीक, और लास्ट में system dot out dot println k। अगर k का वैल्यू घटता तो यहाँ पे 0 आना चाहिए। होपफुली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, अगर k का ओरिजिनल वैल्यू घट जाएगा तो यहाँ पे k का वैल्यू 0 आना चाहिए। अब देखते हैं इसको एग्जीक्यूट करके। फर्स्ट लेट अस कंपाइल, देयर इज नो सिंटैक्स एरर, क्लोज एंड एग्जीक्यूट। यू कैन सी, देखा इशू, k का ओरिजिनल वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हुआ, k का ओरिजिनल वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता हुआ। कहाँ गया? व्यू ऑप्शन इज नॉट अवेलेबल। Now I'm going to minimize the bit. इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर लेते हैं, इसको साइड में रखते हैं. Now go to view and see the terminal window. Oh, show terminal. Now ये हो गया टर्मिनल विंडो और ये हो गया. Now you can see over here. यहाँ से देखते हैं, देखो k का वैल्यू 10 दिए और यहाँ से घटा है. अगर k का वैल्यू घट जाता, if the value of k is being ever changed, then we couldn't have got that k value of k as 10 over here. So what we understood, that the value of k is not actually changing. What is changing is when we are calling the method from here. यहाँ से देखते हैं, जब कॉल कर रहे हैं तो हर बार अगले बार जो मेथड कॉल हो रहा है उसमें x का वैल्यू 1 घट रहा है, मगर x का ओरिजिनल वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है. Hopefully you understand issue.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Is it clear? Okay then. Okay. Do anybody have any other doubt? Like this, you may have a number of doubts in different sections. So even if it is very small, you can even ask for more clarification so that you can understand the things very clearly. And you don't have any problem while solving them. Solving any problem, you can solve any problem. You have the capability, but only thing you're missing is the shyness. शर्म आता है. हाँ भाई, शर्म तो सभी को आता है, मगर शर्म के मारे अगर ना सीखे तो लास्ट में और ज्यादा शर्माना पड़ेगा जब रिजल्ट आएगा. यस अंजलि. अंजलि, we have 5
यस
minutes.
सर. हाँ
हाँ बोलो.
सर, रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट हम लोग मतलब दो वो एक साथ नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं ना. जैसे कि एक सम का है, इंट ए एस इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, और एक इंट एम इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू बी है, तो रिटर्न अगर हम पहला वाला करेंगे तो वहीं पे टर्मिनेट कर जाएगा.
हाँ,
तो अगर
हाँ,
हम लोग को
हाँ.
प्रोडक्ट वाला करवाना रहेगा तो क्या करेंगे?
नहीं 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 नहीं, there is no option. It is very clearly defined in the definition of the method that it is capable of returning one and only one value. कोई भी method से सिर्फ एक ही value ले सकते हैं. Now there is method, we can take a number of values, but we had not reached that part yet. हम लोग चाहे तो array return ले सकते हैं, array रिटर्न लिया जा सकता है, मगर उसमें भी सिर्फ एक एरे एलिमेंट ही रिटर्न, एक एरे पूरा ले सकते हैं. तब हम लोग शायद एक से ज्यादा वैल्यू एक एरे के जरिए ले सकते हैं. बट फॉर प्रेजेंट, एज वी हैव नॉट डिस्कस्ड एरे एंड वी हैव नॉट डिस्कस्ड मच अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट एरेज, सो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग we can take one and only one value. That is very clearly defined in the definition of method. Method can return one and only one value. So एक से ज्यादा हम लोग रिटर्न नहीं ले सकते. Anyone else? Yes, Shraddha is coming to you. थोड़ा नॉर्मल क्लास से ज्यादा काम रहता है ये ऑनलाइन वाला में, बहुत ज्यादा. यस श्रद्धा.
Sir, why don't we use input through console method?
Input through console, we are using, I think. Now, what do you mean by input through console? Wait, don't mute yourself, because once you mute, you cannot unmute yourself unless I give you the permission. So unless your doubt is clear, stay with me. Okay, now, as you are talking about input through console, we are using it, isn't it? we are using the input stream reader, we are using the scanner class. So we are using, and if you are speaking about taking the method input through the main method, you may
Yes, sir.
be, yes, you are, I understood that part. Very clearly, my dear, it is very clearly you have to understand, it is not input through console. उसको इनपुट थ्रू कंसोल नहीं बोलते हैं. इनपुट थ्रू कंसोल जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं थ्रू बफर रीडर एंड स्कैनर, दैट इज इनपुट थ्रू कंसोल. एंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि इनपुट थ्रू द मेन मेथड, input through the main method is termed as input in command line. That is actually termed as command line argument. Different teachers says it in different way. Now, as I'm not teaching BlueJ, I don't teach you BlueJ. So due to that reason, I didn't ever explain that part, because Java is completely DOS based. When it was developed, it was DOS based, and still now it is DOS based. So for that, you need a lot of command to be memorized, and you are not using any command. So if we are not using any command, how can we use the command line argument? That's why I didn't taught you that part. We can still do that, but it is termed as command line argument, not input through console. Input through console वही है जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं बफर रीडर और स्कैनर. Hopefully this explains the cleared out your problem better, isn't it? So the
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes,
then.
sir.
Okay, anybody have any other doubt? We don't have much time. There is only 30 seconds or something left. So it will go off automatically. And once it goes off, you think that our class is over. We have taken the attendance already. और किसी को कोई डाउट है जल्दी पूछ ले. नहीं है. Less than a minute remaining. Okay then, go through the book, the entire part we had discussed, find out your problems. We'll start revision from next day, okay? And the revision will be done according to syllabus. So hopefully all of you know where to get the syllabus. You're having the internet access now. Go to cisec.org and download the syllabus of 2022. Okay, have a nice day.